Maak channel. Let's draw Bluey and her mom. Today we want to draw Bluey together. Bluey has a new story this time. We will draw the Bluey's mother. We will draw a window. It seems that something happened. It's like Bluey has done something wrong. What do you think happened? Well, let's go to coloring. We use blue and yellow colors for Bluey coloring. And then we use yellow, red, and orange colors to color Bluey's mom. Also color the ball. Well, now we will color the cartoon. And finally, we color the glass with this blue. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Hello everyone, welcome to Maak channel. Today we want to go to the world of Bluey and Bingo together. Two small and kind dogs who experience different stories together. Today's story is about Bluey and Bingo going to the beach. We're playing on the beach. same time, several seagulls wanted to catch that crab. Bluey tried to get the seagulls away from the crab. Bingo also took care of the crab. Bluey made the birds run away. Bingo also helped the crab to return to the sea. As I said, Bluey and Bingo are two very kind dogs. In the next videos, we will see other stories of Bluey and Bingo and their family. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Hello guys! Today we are going to draw Bluey and Bingo. Bluey and Bingo are two cute sisters who loves to play and have fun. In this drawing, the two sisters are listening to music. They are dancing to their favorite song and are very happy. Bluey always have interesting ideas for dancing. Bingo is Bluey's younger sister and she is very kind. Do you also like to dance to happy songs like Bluey and Bingo? Let's see how these two happy sisters are dancing. To draw Bluey, we will use blue and a little yellow. You can color these two sisters